Education is not about just going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening our knowledge and observing the truth of the life. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, HM Ma'am, all my learned colleagues and my dear students, I'm wishing you all a very happy National Education Day. Today, I got this opportunity to say my thoughts, to tell about my thoughts about this day. So I'm feeling really grateful. Today we are assembled here to celebrate the birth anniversary of our first Education Minister. This day emphasizes the importance of education in shaping the individuals and the society. This day reminds us the importance of knowledge and learning. Our first Education Minister, Dr. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, he was born on 11th November 1988. His contribution is huge in the foundation of education in India. He emphasized to educating the poor people, the girl children and the rural people. He also gave thrust to adult literacy, universal primary education, free and compulsory education to children up to age 14 and secondary education, also vocational education and many more. He was died 22nd February 1958 in Delhi. He was also the highest gallantry award winner, Bharat Ratna award winner, posthumously in 1992. The theme of the National Education Day is building a brighter tomorrow through education. So, on this day, we should contribute by promoting the educational awareness, literacy, and by promoting all the reforms that has been done by our government and all the schemes that are coming under Government of India. We should follow that properly. Lastly, I want to say to all my dear students that education is not that you are just getting the degree and getting a job, earning the money. It's about being a better human being, developing your personality, being a kind and sensible human, by which you can face all the challenges in your life. So, I hope all of you will become a better citizen of India. Lastly, I want to conclude my speech with a Hindi poem called Shiksha. जीवन का आधार है शिक्षा, जीवन का आधार है शिक्षा, खुशहाली का भंडार है शिक्षा, खुशहाली का भंडार है शिक्षा। जीवन में नई ज्योति जगती, जीवन में नई ज्योति जगती, सपने सारे पूरा कर दिखाती, सपने सारे पूरा कर दिखाती, हर राह आसन बनाती शिक्षा, नैतिक जीवन सिखाती शिक्षा, हर राह आसान बनाती शिक्षा, नैतिक जीवन सिखाती शिक्षा। राह आसान नहीं है इसकी, राह आसान नहीं है इसकी, धैर्य कर्म पहचाना है इसकी, धैर्य कर्म पहचाना है इसकी। अनगढ़ों को गढ़ती है शिक्षा, अनगढ़ों को गढ़ती है शिक्षा, पत्थर का मूर्ति बनाती शिक्षा, पत्थर का मूर्ति बनाती शिक्षा। सरस्वती का भंडार है निराला, सरस्वती का भंडार है निराला, इसको पाकर वन मत वाला, इसको पाकर वन मत वाला। जीवन को सुदृढ़ बनाती शिक्षा, माँ की दुआ में पलती है शिक्षा। जीवन को सुदृढ़ बनाती शिक्षा, माँ की दुआ में पलती है शिक्षा। जीवन व्यर्थ नहीं बनाना है, जीवन व्यर्थ नहीं बनाना है, शिक्षा से देश को आगे बढ़ाना है, शिक्षा से देश को आगे बढ़ाना है, शिक्षा से देश को आगे बढ़ाना है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।